In this video, we will cover the interesting mechanism of the systems programming, that is nothing but the forward reference problem. What does this actually means? Forward reference problem, or what is a forward reference? Symbols used before its definition. Symbols used before its definition are called as forward reference. Okay. Literals cannot be forward reference. Means to whom you are calling as a forward reference, only the symbols of your program are called as a forward reference before they are used before their definition. But the literals that cannot be forward reference because they need not be defined. They are entered in literal table as soon as they used in operand field. Literals are such a things which are used in an operand, and when they occur in an operand they are directly shifted or entered in the literal table. So only the symbols are used as a forward reference. Some symbols are not entered into symbol table, but they are used in a program so that found in operand field because they are entered if they are defined, so that found in label field as in the mechanism. Okay, so this is known as a forward reference problem. I will write down one assembler example, and from that mechanism I will try to show you what is actually the forward reference. For example, it is a first instruction and it is having the code as, for example, start 100, 800. Okay, then it is a second number instruction and it is a and it is declared as a DC. DC is nothing but the declared constant and it is having the value 77. Okay. Then there will be some statements, and after that there will be one code at a 10 number line and it will be as a begin. Begin having the assembler statements like add a register A. Okay. Now, in the 11, we will write the statement like read B. Okay. Then, what is the next statement? We will compare this A register with B because we will add the X value with the A register value. Then we will again read B. Compare the A register means this actual value of this with this B. Then we will declare one statement like BC. Okay. Then it is having the statement like any and begin. Okay. For only understanding point of view, I am writing these assembly statements and trying to show you what is the actual forward reference. Then after some time it will be code like, for example, next. Okay. Then for the next procedure it will be stop. Then for next mechanism, for example, B is the symbol and it is having a declared defined statement and having the value 1, and at this it is a end. From this example point of view, you have to understand the forward reference problem. So, which are the symbols used in this example are having the forward reference? Carefully see that next and B are the symbols that are used but not defined in the previous mechanism. So, for example, it is a B. It is a used here and declared later in some uh, coding. So it is a forward reference because it is used but not defined yet now. Next is also having the same mechanism. But begin and A are not called as a forward reference because A is declared as a declared constant and begin is having the mechanism like begin is used here but its definition is given here. So it is known as a forward reference problem. But when there is any problem, it having many solutions. So what is the actual solution behind this forward reference problem? You can use the three methods to overcome these problems. That is by using the variant 2 intermediate code form in pass 1 algorithm. Second is by using the multiple pass assembler. Once all symbols are entered into symbol table, then symbols are can quickly converted into its address. And third mechanism is that by using the separate data structures, we store the forward reference and its locations. As soon as they are declared, the symbol is quickly covered into its addresses. Means one actual mechanism is for you have to use the variant 2 of the intermediate code used in a pass 1 of the algorithm. Second is the use the multipass assembler and another third mechanism is that you have to use the separate tables to store the such a forward reference symbols and when that symbols occur their definition will be auto pick from that table. So this is the procedure or mechanism behind the forward reference problem. Thank you so much.